The 2026 is finally here, and this massive 7-seater SUV looks more aggressive, more luxurious, and more powerful than ever before. Nissan has taken the legendary Patrol and transformed it into a full-size performance machine that blends family practicality with true Nismo racing DNA. From the moment you see it, this SUV commands attention with its bold styling, sporty upgrades, and unmistakable road presence. At the front, the Patrol Nismo features a redesigned grille with a darker, more aggressive finish, combined with sharper LED headlights and massive air intakes that give it a high-performance appearance. The signature red Nismo accents are placed around the bumper, side skirts, and rear diffuser, making it instantly recognizable. The large alloy wheels, sporty body kit, and aerodynamic design give this SUV a muscular stance that looks ready for both city streets and desert highways. Step inside, and the cabin feels premium, modern, and surprisingly sporty for a 7-seater SUV. Nissan has upgraded the interior with Nismo Sports seats finished in leather and Alcantara, highlighted with red stitching and carbon-styled trim pieces throughout the dashboard. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a performance touch, while the massive infotainment display and digital driver screen bring advanced technology into the cabin. Despite its sporty character, the Patrol Nismo still delivers excellent comfort with spacious seating for 7 passengers and plenty of cargo space for long family trips. Under the hood, the 2026 Patrol Nismo is expected to feature a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine producing impressive horsepower and torque. Nissan engineers have tuned the suspension, steering, and exhaust system specifically for the Nismo version, giving this SUV sharper handling and a more exciting driving experience. The acceleration feels surprisingly quick for such a large vehicle, while the exhaust note delivers a deeper and more aggressive sound that perfectly matches its sporty appearance. On the road, the Patrol Nismo combines luxury SUV comfort with serious performance capability. It remains smooth and refined during daily driving, but when pushed harder, the upgraded chassis and performance tuning make the SUV feel more responsive and confident. Whether driving through urban streets or tackling long highway journeys, the Patrol Nismo delivers a balance of power, comfort, and style that few SUVs in this segment can match. Pricing for the 2026 Nissan Patrol Nismo is expected to start at a premium level, reflecting its high-performance upgrades and luxury features. But for buyers looking for a full-size 7-seater SUV with bold styling, powerful performance, and exclusive Nismo character, this could easily become one of the most exciting SUVs of the year.